The day it rained inside me was quiet on the outside. The sky was clear. The sun was soft. Birds were sitting on the electric wires. But inside me, something felt heavy. I was a young boy then. I did not know many English words for feelings. I only knew that my chest felt tight, and my eyes felt warm for no clear reason. That morning, I woke up early. My room was small and clean. My school bag was ready near the door. Everything looked normal. My mother called my name from the kitchen. Her voice was gentle. She asked me to eat breakfast. I sat at the table. I looked at my plate. Bread, egg, milk. I usually liked breakfast, but that day, the food felt far away. I ate slowly. I did not speak much. My mother looked at me. She did not ask questions. She only smiled and touched my head. When I walked to school, the road felt longer than usual. My feet were slow. My bag felt heavy on my shoulders. Other children were laughing. They were running. They were talking loudly. I wanted to join them, but something stopped me. At school, I sat in my seat near the window. The teacher was writing on the board. Chalk sounds filled the room. I looked outside. The trees were moving softly in the wind. Everything looked calm, but inside me, it felt like rain. I did not know why. Nothing bad had happened. No one had shouted at me. No one had hurt me. Still, my heart felt sad. When the teacher asked a question, I did not answer. I knew the answer, but my voice stayed inside me. During break time, I sat alone. I watched other kids play. Their laughter felt very far. A friend came near me. He asked if I was okay. I said yes. It was an easy word to say. Yes, but it was not true. The rain inside me was quiet, but strong. When school ended, I walked home slowly. The sun was lower in the sky. The air felt warm. At home, my mother was folding clothes. She looked at me again. This time, she did not smile. She sat beside me. She did not ask why. She asked how. "How do you feel?" she said softly. I opened my mouth. No words came out. My eyes filled with tears. They surprised me. I did not plan to cry. The rain inside me came out. My mother pulled me close. She did not tell me to stop crying. She did not say it was silly. She stayed quiet with me. After some time, my breathing slowed. The tight feeling became softer. She said something very simple. "Sometimes feelings come without a reason," she said, "and that is okay." I listened. Those words felt warm. She told me that sadness is not a bad thing. It is just a visitor. It comes. It stays. Then it leaves. That night, I lay in my bed. The room was dark and calm. The rain inside me was light now. I understood something new. I did not need a reason to feel. I did not need to hide my tears. From that day, I learned to listen to myself. When I feel quiet rain inside, I slow down. I breathe. I wait. And I remember that even rain helps things grow.